What up, YouTube? So the weather is obviously not cooperating at the moment. So perfect time to do something to the bike. Something simple that I don't think I need any parts for. I've seen, holy crap. I've seen videos of it done with an extender, and I've seen videos of it done without, but I'm gonna try to flip the mirrors now. And if we end up needing an extender, then so be it, we'll get an extender for them. Pretty sure all we're gonna need is this 1/2-inch socket, because you can see the mirror goes straight through, it holds in the turn signal, and all it is this screw here. So hopefully both mirrors should just come out and I'll be able to flip them. Let's try it out. Gotta be careful with the turn signal here. Got that washer in there, make sure we get that. Gotta be careful holding this turn signal. Just kind of let it hang there. All right, let's use our handy dandy magnetic pan. And that should just slide out. Let's take the other one off. Holy crap, that rain is really coming down right now. These nuts are a little rusted. I'm gonna have to take care of that. I'm gonna have to take care of those nuts, especially since now they should be facing up. All right, let's give this a shot. Ideally, so this is gonna fit right here where it was. This mirror should just be able to pop right in there. Okay, this side seems like it works, but we're gonna have to check clearance with the tank. So the bolt just comes back up there, put the washer down, screw the bolt in. It might be a problem, we're gonna need another wrench for this. I wanna check the clearance on the tank before I go through the work of tightening it down. Yes, I am wearing this ridiculous head camera thing. All right, let's do the second one. Get our washer. Again, right now I'm just hand tightening it so I can check the clearance with the tank and be able to adjust my turn signals properly after. All right, so let's try this out. Clearance good there. And good clearance there. That is the money shot. All right, so now let's tighten it down. I used a 1/2-inch for that. That should translate to a 13mm wrench. Which is gonna be this one. Okay, so on this side, this edge of the turn signal holder thing was flush with the brake. So we're just gonna tighten, tighten, tighten. Not all the way, we just wanna tighten enough to make sure we can still move the mirror and put it where we need to before we fully tighten. On this side, you'll notice this beveled edge here That is what goes flush with the clutch lever on this side. Okay, let's check again. And when you do this check, you want to stand it up and actually look behind you. There we are. All right, that looks good. Let's check clearance one last time. Good there, good there. Now I have full, I think most people will need extenders because I have full clearance right now because of my T-bars. If you had regular bars on here, you would not have clearance on this tank. All right, so let's tighten down fully now. And we are done with this, the first tiny little mod to this bike. Perfect. All right, that is complete. That is how we flip mirrors on a 2012 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Ride safe. That's it.